Welcome to the Qlicksmart app. This world-first interactive app was created for healthcare users of Qlicksmart products. It's a new and innovative way to learn how to use Qlicksmart's Blade Cassette Scalpel Blade Remover. This video will guide you on how to use the app and its key features, the training, testing, and how to get your certificate. Downloading the app. You can download the app on the App Store or Google Play. Just search for Qlicksmart. Once downloaded and installed, you just tap the Qlicksmart app to start it. When you start the Qlicksmart app, you're presented with the main menu. You can go directly to the introduction, tutorial, testing, and previously completed certificates. Please note, the testing section is locked until you have completed the training section. In the introduction section is a short video detailing how to use the Qlicksmart Blade Cassette Scalpel Blade Remover. It also has the device anatomy, which shows the parts of the blade cassette. In the tutorial section, you can learn about the parts of the blade cassette, as well as an interactive training guide on using the blade cassette. Please use the training guide extensively, as the testing section is quite difficult to finish. We want to make sure that you'll be safe when removing scalpel blades with the Qlicksmart Blade Cassette. You can access the menu items at any time by clicking on the menu button located on the top right corner of the app. After you finish the testing section, your certificate of completion will be emailed to you, so please make sure the email address you sent to us is correct. The certificates can also be accessed again in the certificates section. This groundbreaking app was especially developed to teach users like you on how to keep safe while using the Qlicksmart Blade Remover. You can use the Qlicksmart app anytime and anywhere on your mobile device. You can do the training at your own pace. After using the Qlicksmart app, you'll be able to use the blade cassette safely and easily. Feel free to contact us for any feedback regarding the Qlicksmart app. We'll have more updates coming soon. Thanks for watching.